RHS Pre-Calculus presents Naming and Locating Polar Coordinates, Polar City.
Justin has lived in rectangular city all of his life, so he knows how to find his way around. If someone gives him direction to a store at 3, -4, he knows that from his house at the origin, he has to go 3 to the right on the x-axis and 4 down on the y-axis. One day, however, Justin decided to move to Polar City. It looked a little different, but he didn't think it'd be a problem. He just asked for directions to the places he wanted to go and followed them.
How do you get to the park?
The park is at 3π/4.
Okay, I'm lost.
It's okay, I can help. This girl gave you 2 numbers, right?
Right.
So let's look at the second number first. This tells you the direction to face. This is 0π here, and as you go counterclockwise from 0, the angle increases. π/2, π, 3π/2, and back to 0 or 2π. If you go clockwise from 0, the angle decreases. -π/2, -π, -3π/2, and -2π/0. Remember that pi and -π are the same direction. There are multiple ways to tell you to face the same way. So now face π/4. Good. Now look at the first number in the directions. That tells you how far to go. If the number is positive, go forward that number of spaces. If the number is negative, go backwards that number. Your number is positive 3, so go forward 3 units.
Yay, I found the park.
Now Justin's best friend Ralph has moved to Polar City and needs Justin's help to find a bush. Justin knows how to get to the bush from the origin. Face towards 5π/6 and walk forward 5 steps. So what coordinates should you give Ralph? The first number of the coordinates should be the distance Ralph must walk, that's 5. The second number is the way Ralph must face, 5π/6. So the coordinates Justin should give Ralph are 5, 5π/6. However, the coordinates Justin gives Ralph are -5, 11π/6, another way to name the coordinate. Following these directions, Ralph turns to face the direction 11π/6. This is exactly opposite of 5π/6. Facing this direction, he goes -5 steps forward or 5 steps backward. Ralph then sees the bush. This is because 5, 5π/6 and -5, 11π/6 are the same coordinate. Because 5π/6 and 11π/6 are directly opposite to each other. Going 5 steps forward facing 11π/6 is the same as going 5 steps backward away from 11π/6.
Oh, that makes sense. Now Justin and I can find our way around town using polar coordinates.